I'm meteorologist Lindsay Monroe. This is a weather update for Monday, April 27th. Just got an update from the Storm Prediction Center. Now upgraded to a level 4 is a portion of Illinois back into Missouri and still watching the far western tier of Indiana under a level 3 of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center, with that primary threat being some isolated rotating storms as well as damaging wind gusts. The rest of Indiana under a level 2 of 5, as we do anticipate the potential of some severe weather warnings getting issued throughout the course of the day today. Do want to update you though, as we have been monitoring a storm system that's been very active back to our west so far this morning. History producing severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, as well as flash flood warnings over in Missouri. That line looking like it is still going to hold together as it moves in our direction. So by the time we get into about 2-3 o'clock this afternoon, this will initially move into western Indiana and then continue to track across the state. Now, this is a lower in severe threat overall, but all modes of severe weather are going to be possible, especially damaging wind gusts. Could see some embedded rotating storms as well. Now we're into the 5 o'clock hour, and this is when we're going to start watching a secondary round develop out to our west in southern Illinois. And this is why we do anticipate southwestern parts of the state of Indiana that highest risk that we could again see some rotating storms as well as damaging wind gusts. This is through 7 o'clock this evening. We're going to be keeping an eye on places like Bloomington to Bedford, down to Vincennes and Evansville. The rest of the state, we're going to watch and see how this initial round of showers and storms works over the atmosphere and if that can recover and the extent of any severe potential for us in the Indianapolis metro. But then as we fast forward 10 o'clock tonight, that threat of severe weather is going to start to wrap up to areas north first, with severe weather clearing the state by 1-2 o'clock in the morning early Tuesday.